everyone, welcome to Rhinofeed. Today I'm going to review the Triumph Adler key set. This was a group effort between Intelli78, Massdrop, and GMK, who now owns the original machinery that made the Cherry Keycaps 33 years ago. Because of the unique teal color that was produced by the original aged plastic on the Triumph Adler Dario 286, this was the first GMK group buy that had to be made with a custom color. It uses a standard English ANSI layout instead of the original German lettering. You also receive ISO keys, a teal backslash key, and teal spacebars. These keycaps are ABS, thick, high-quality ABS, not cheap, thin ABS. They aren't very textured, especially after using my real force, but maybe you like your keycaps fairly smooth. You're probably wondering, was mine a royal mess when I received it? And yes, it was. Massdrop made a huge mistake. They used the display trays as shipping containers without adding much other than bubble wrap and a few pieces of scotch tape to try to keep it closed. Not only that, but the box they used was also low quality, so it was smashed in quite a bit. Luckily, on closer inspection, I only found a couple very light scratches. Others have had much worse. There are a few other issues which are due to GMK specifically. First, many have reported that there are burrs left on the keys from manufacturing. Secondly, backlit keyboards are a no-go. Last but not least, the custom gray color they used looks as though it was not properly mixed and you have swirling going on. I expected better from GMK, a German company, and especially surrounding all the hype around this key set. It's beautiful, but I still feel a little disappointed at the end result. My own nitpicks are that they didn't use row 5 keys for the bottom row, but they used row 4 keys on everything except your arrows and numpad keys. I also would have loved if they used the original symbols and no lettering for shift, caps lock, tab, backspace, enter, numlock, and the math symbols. I do understand why they didn't because of the cost of manufacturing, but I still would have liked to see it. They've also used dished homing keys instead of the typical home row bump, which at first caught me off guard, but I'm getting used to it and it's a nice change of pace. I should also mention that the lettering is double shot, which is a very durable way of molding two plastics together to create both the lettering and the key itself. You can read more about it on the Deskthority Wiki. Other than that, let's get some sound test results. I will give you a comparison between this set of keycaps versus a set of thick PBT keycaps that I originally purchased from Ivan's group buy on Keycap. The keyboard of choice will be the Poker 3 with Cherry MX clears, along with the stock aluminum case. I won't talk to you from here on out, so thanks again for watching. I hope you've enjoyed, and as always, please rate, comment, and subscribe.